Hi everyone, Kate here. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather this week, so instead of filming the more complicated beauty concoction I had planned, I've decided instead to share with you the super simple recipe for a 1930s facial toner. This recipe comes from a 1936 copy of the movie magazine Picture Goer and can be made up in a matter of seconds. That's right, seconds. To make up your own batch, you will need some pure rose water and some witch hazel. Into a small bottle, pour equal parts rose water and witch hazel. I just do this by eye, but you can measure if you want to be more exact. Then, close the lid and shake well to combine. And that's it! See? I told you it was simple! You can apply this toner as you would any product of the sort with a cotton ball or cotton pad or just a bit of tissue. One thing to keep in mind is that this is a preservative-free recipe and it can go off very quickly, so it's best to use it within a day or two. The magazine recommends making a fresh batch every time you need it. It's honestly so quick and simple to make that this really isn't any trouble. Keep a bottle of witch hazel and rose water in your cupboard and you can whip up this gentle toner anytime you please. Well, I hope you enjoyed this wee little recipe. I know it was a really short and simple one this week. Please let me know your favorite toner recipes down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!